There you guys go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
All right, you guys can follow me.
No, we've not been to Lake Lure.
We must have been by there.
We were doing. You're thinking of Bass Lake up in Blowing Rock.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that whole area got devastated by the storm.
Yeah.
They just reopened the lake like, I think this month, if not last month. It's crazy what those places have gone through, and you wouldn't think a hurricane would make it up here.
I know. That's exactly what we thought. We live in Charlotte.
Mm-hmm.
And for it to have, who would have ever thought that a hurricane would make it up into the mountains?
Yeah.
They always
Doesn't make sense.
peter out before they get that far.
Mm-hmm. You would think like all the kind of terrain, trees, mountains would stop the wind, but
yeah,
something happened and it got all the way through. And as you see, I mean, the damage is still here. This is not gonna, I think it's bad. If we had the money to clean up that whole mess, it would be very beneficial, because like right now we're going through a drought season. And last year the biggest mountain around here, well, the biggest mountain is Sassafras, but a very scenic mountain, Table Rock, had the biggest wildfire in South Carolina history. And it's all because these trees are down. There were a bunch of kids that sparked a cigarette in the middle of the hike, tossed it, and I mean, it was like thousands of acres that went on fire.
That's terrible.
Yeah. And it's just the management of all the trees that are down, but it's so much money and work that would have to go into this to clean it up. I don't.
Hurricane?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I've been here before the hurricane as well. Clean path, and you see that everywhere in the upstate and western North Carolina. I mean, it's everywhere. All right, we're gonna make it up here to the platform, and then we can go down after. On a good day when it's not too wet, I've gone up all the way under that waterfall. We'll see.
What do you do? Climb up on the rock?
We can definitely get down here, so at the least we'll get to like this patch.
Okay.
To get down there, it can be pretty slippery. So this whole river coming down here is Reedy Cove Creek. There's another one on the left that's called Eastatote Creek. They kind of meet right past here and they spill out into the Jocassee Lake. So we have 3 lakes. We have Jocassee, Kiwi, and Hartwell. They're the biggest lakes in South Carolina. 1, 2, and 3. One more. There's actually a bunch of waterfalls where you can get on top of them. One of them being the White Waterfalls, which is about, I want to say, a half hour from here. It's the tallest waterfall east of Mississippi River.
Oh, really? What's it called?
White Waterfalls.
White Waterfall. Okay.
And you have a platform that you can get onto and see it from probably a half mile out. It's still a beautiful view. And then you can go around the platform, end up on top of the waterfall, and it's the most magnificent spot. Let me scout out how far we can get up there, and we'll decide if we're gonna do it. Yeah, we can actually get pretty close. I think we're gonna stop in this area because over here there's a lot of slicky rock, so I don't want us falling down. But at least we can get over here. We have the closest view. And that'll be it. Or actually even over there. Let me see how that spot is.
Okay, Stan, we need to get you in here.
All right.
Get you in a selfie here.
I'll get some pictures of y'all.
Get all three of us in here.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we're gonna be on your YouTube channel, we're gonna be on our social media.
Good deal. Works for me. I have a,
Yeah, let's do that.
I'm on the far right, so I'll take the picture.
Because I bet before all this storm, this was so beautiful. I mean, it's still beautiful, but with all these trees down here, this is like, you know.
Yes, sir. I mean, this whole area was clear. You could literally walk across here, walk across there.
Yeah, if you went over, I'd go out that way.
Yeah, if you guys feel comfortable, we can get all the way up next to it. I just don't want to put you guys at any risk.
Yeah.
And definitely use these as you're climbing through. It's going to help you get stabilized. This is the jackpot. Yes, it is. I'm sorry?
I said getting down would be a little tricky.
Yeah, we'll be sliding down on our butts probably, but it's so worth it, yeah. And the devastation is crazy.
This is all from Helene.
The other day, and it was literally like a cloud of pollen following him. It's just everywhere here.
Is that Sarah?
I'm sorry?
Looks like it.
They are.
I'll be darned. A
Wow,
wild
good eye.
hydrangea.
Let's see if iPhone will help. There's a feature on an iPhone with animals and stuff where they should tell you. Mountain and Laurel.
Mountain Laurel. How we doing? Well, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you guys.
This was
Appreciate
great.
it.
Really
Enjoyed it.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Of course.
This was wonderful.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah.